Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Chevy Tahoe windshield sunshade is probably one of the most essential accessories for any owner looking to protect their vehicle's interior from the harsh effects of the sun, keeping it cooler and preserving its condition over time, making it a smart investment for maintaining your vehicle's value and comfort during those hot summer drives. Number 5. BDK USA American Flag Curved Accordion Sun Visor. Display your patriotic spirit while safeguarding your car's interior. This sunshade fits most vehicles, using the rearview mirror for support and tapered edges for a snug fit, protecting your dash from the sun's heat. Stay cool on sunny days by reducing interior heat. It can lower your car's temperature by 30 to 50 degrees by effectively blocking harmful UV rays. This sunshield features a design that is both flexible and sturdy. It's easy to set up and fold away in seconds, and can be used on both sides for the same great protection. Installation is a breeze with this sun visor. Simply unfold it onto your windshield to block UV rays and heat. No tools are required for a quick and convenient solution. Experience superior durability and performance with this premium auto shade. Made from high-grade materials, it offers excellent UV protection and enhances comfort. What we like. Show your patriotism while keeping your car cool. This shade offers a snug fit for most vehicles and is perfect for holidays. If you want to display your American pride and protect your car's interior during sunny days, this is the one for you. What people say. The sunshade is custom fit for the Chevy Tahoe, ensuring a perfect fit. It effectively blocks out the sun's rays, keeping the car cooler. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 4. BDK Iridescent Matte Black Windshield Sunshade. This sunshade is designed to fit most personal vehicles. Its universal size and tapered edges ensure a snug fit, using your rearview mirror for support. Avoid excessive heat on sunny days and keep your car's interior cool. This sun visor reduces interior temperatures significantly and blocks harmful UV rays. Extend the life of your vehicle's dashboard, radio, and electronic devices. Its unique, lightweight design makes it easy to use and reposition. Featuring a dual-layer bubble design, it offers maximum protection for your interior. It keeps your seats and steering wheel cool by blocking the sun's heat and UV radiation. The foldable accordion design allows for effortless setup and storage. It conveniently folds away with a hook and loop closure. This versatile sunshade can be used on both sides, offering the same great protection. Enjoy the same benefits regardless of which side you choose to display. What we like. Keep your car's interior cool and protected with this stylish sunshade. Its dual-layer design offers maximum UV protection. If you're looking for a sleek, effective, and easy-to-use sunshade that complements any vehicle, this is a great choice. What people say. It has a nice thick material and provides excellent coverage of windshield and blocks out the sun. It's lightweight, protects the car from the sun, folds up nicely and stores nicely in between my seats, under the seat, or behind the seat where I can grab it easily and not be in any other passenger's way too much. Good quality, and stiff enough to hold itself up in the window with just a visor to keep it in place. Number 3. HELLOLEIBOO Car Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. Keep your car cool and protected. This shade reflects harsh sunlight, preventing dashboard fade and cracks. It significantly shortens cooling time after parking. Designed for daily convenience, it folds easily and stores compactly in its pouch. It won't take up unnecessary space in your car. Crafted from high-quality composite peptide materials, it withstands high temperatures without damage. This ensures the air inside your car stays fresh. This shade is designed to fit most sedans, trucks, SUVs, and minivans. It provides maximum coverage and protection for your vehicle's windshield. It comes with a storage bag and buckle for easy folding and securing. Store it in your glove compartment or trunk when not in use. This makes a perfect and thoughtful gift for any car owner. Ensure they have the best sun protection for their vehicle. What we like. This sunshade offers superior sun protection and is made from durable, high-quality materials. Its unique umbrella design makes it easy to use and store. If you prioritize a long-lasting, effective sunshade that's incredibly convenient to store, consider this option. What people say. It's quick and easy and doesn't take up room like other ones. It makes a ton of difference. The umbrella is easy to set up and fits perfectly across my windshield, providing excellent sun protection. Number 2. BDK Purple Sunset Beachfront Windshield Sunshade. Introducing our premium windshield sunshade, designed to keep your vehicle's interior cool and protected. Its unique design fits most vehicles, offering maximum sun protection. On hot sunny days, this sunshade helps reduce interior temperature significantly. It effectively blocks harmful UV rays, safeguarding your car's dashboard and electronics. Perfect for cars, vans, trucks, and SUVs, this sunshade makes a great gift. Its lightweight, reinforced frame ensures easy application and a snug fit. Experience maximum protection with our dual-layer bubble design. It keeps your seats and steering wheel cool by blocking intense sun heat and UV radiation. The foldable accordion design allows for quick setup and convenient storage. Simply prop it up and fold it away with the hook and loop closure. Enjoy the same great protection no matter which side you use. This versatile sunshade is designed to be reversible for your convenience. What we like. Add a touch of fun to your car's protection with this cute beach-themed sunshade. It provides excellent UV protection and keeps your interior cool. If you appreciate a stylish design and need reliable sun protection for your car, truck, or SUV, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The sunshade fits perfectly in the windshield. It effectively blocks out the sun and keeps the car cooler. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 1. Motor Trend Gray Accordion Folding Car Windshield Sunshade. This jumbo-sized sunshade is designed to fit most cars, trucks, SUVs, and minivans. Its universal design and tapered edges ensure a snug fit using your rearview mirror for support. Keep your car's interior up to 50 degrees cooler on hot sunny days. It effectively blocks damaging UV rays, making your drive much more comfortable. Extend the life of your vehicle's dashboard and protect sensitive electronics like your radio, screens, and GPS. Its lightweight design makes it easy to use and reposition. Featuring a dual-layer bubble design, it provides maximum protection against harmful UV rays. This helps keep your seats and steering wheel cool, even on the hottest summer days. The foldable accordion design allows for quick setup and convenient storage with a hook and loop closure. Plus, it's reversible and can be used on both sides for the same great protection. What we like. This jumbo-sized sunshade offers maximum coverage and superior UV protection. Its blackout design ensures your car stays cooler for longer. If you have a larger vehicle like a truck, SUV, or minivan and need comprehensive sun protection, this is the ideal solution. What people say. It fits my 2023 Chevy Tahoe perfectly. The sunshade is thick and seems to be good quality. It keeps the car significantly cooler inside. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.